Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make a kid-friendly snack that all ages could take part in. We're going to make peanut butter granola pinwheels, and this recipe could be easily modified to include different ingredients to appeal to anybody's taste. So we need honey, peanut butter, granola, and some tortillas. I am using whole wheat tortillas so that we can up the fiber content, add in that healthy whole grain. And I've got creamy peanut butter, but you could also use chunky. You could also use Nutella, you could use almond butter, wow butter. And then I have a lower sugar granola that I found too. We've got plenty of sweetness in our peanut butter and honey that we don't need a lot of added sugar with our granola. So first thing we're going to do is take our tortilla and spread some peanut butter on it. Then we're going to add our granola. And the recipe calls for a half a cup granola to be used over 2 tortillas. So I'm just going to use about half. And then a little drizzle of honey. And now we're going to roll it up. And if you find that this doesn't stick together very well, you could always pop it in the refrigerator for a few minutes before you cut it. And then cut it down the middle first. And we're using a serrated knife. That makes it easier so it doesn't squish it down too much. And look how cute and fun that is. So I'm going to finish cutting these, do our second one, and then they're ready to enjoy. Here's our 2 tortillas that are rolled up and ready to go. This is a great snack. We've got our plant-based protein with the peanut butter, the fiber with the whole grain tortillas, and all the good stuff that's in our granola. So this would be a great snack that kids can make. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you again real soon for some more fun recipes.